Good evening, everyone. I hope you all are doing great. Good evening, Athar. I am good. How are you? Good evening, Savita. I am good. Good evening, Fatima. A very good evening to all of you. I hope you all are doing good. I was a little busy. I'm really sorry for starting a little late. I was a little busy with some other meetings, but no problem. I am here back again. So, yeah, thank you so much for waiting this patiently. I know you have been very excited about this session. I know it. I'm good, Fatima. How are you? Hi, Savita. Hi, Ariba. Hi, everyone. All right. So we are just going to start in another 2 minutes. Let everyone join. Let every one of your friends join. And you can call your friends also that we are live. You can ask your friends to join. I hope you all are doing good. I'm good. I'm good. Sir, can we join in Zoom? Mahi, you cannot. This is just a YouTube session. The Zoom session is actually tomorrow. Then you can join Zoom and you can share your doubt. My day was very tiring. I can say that. A lot of work, tiring day, but no problem. I enjoy it. I love it. And the most important part is when I see you guys, that makes me more happy. The most happy that I can ever be. Yes, good evening, Athar. All right, so let's start. So this session is session number 19 of Codeavour 2022 training program. And in today's session, we are going to look at how to make a weather monitoring system using Python and our little cute friend, Coda. All right, moving forward, I request all of you to join the Telegram group as soon as possible if you haven't. So please join the Telegram group because that is where you guys will be getting all the necessary updates. So join the Telegram group. The link is there in the chat box for you. No worries if you don't have the link. If you're not able to find the link, sorry. In the description box, you can of course check out the link from the live chat box. I have just shared it with you guys. So please join the Telegram group as fast as possible. Okay. I hope that's clear to all of you. All right, moving forward, I'm just going to play a small little video. Thank you, Savita, for informing all your friends. I'm just going to play a short little video, which will be giving you guys overview and the necessary details for Codeavour 2022. So I request all of you to watch this video carefully because every day we have some new joinees, some of our new friends who have joined us for the first time and maybe for the second time. So please watch this video, try to understand everything about Codeavour, try to understand what is going on, and you will be able to get all the necessary details or required details for this competition. All right, please watch this video very carefully.
For the fourth consecutive year, bringing you the biggest international AI and programming competition for kids, Codeavour 2022 International 4th edition. To make kids aware and inspire them to brainstorm over emerging issues, to make the world a better place, kids need to build solution-based projects on the following theme: save the environment, strengthen the health infrastructure, revolutionize the agriculture, automate the surroundings, make smart transportation system. You can make anything and everything you want, from stories to games, from software-based AI projects to hardware-based projects. Pictoblox, an international AI education and coding platform. You can learn to code, make interactive animations and games, interesting projects based on AI, program actions for robots, and much more. With Pictoblox app now available on Play Store, you can even make your project for the competition on the go. Anyone above 7 years old and falling under 3 age groups can. Yes, you can either participate as a one-person army or in a team of 2 with your coding buddy. Follow these 3 easy steps to participate. Register by entering the team details on the contest portal. Prepare to enhance your coding and AI skill via self-learning material and AI bootcamps. Now that you have the skills required, it's time to show the world what you have got. Submit your project brief, project file, and the project video. Now all you have to do is sit back and wait for the results. Registration for Codeavour 2022 International starts on 10th of October. The last date to submit your project is 10th January 2023. You can register anytime between 10th of October and 10th of January 2023. The winners of Codeavour 2022 International will be announced on 31st January 2023. Participants stand a chance to win more than 60 prizes worth $20,000 in total. Along with the cash prizes up to $1,000, all the winners will also receive a medal, certificate, and the official Codeavour 2022 AI t-shirt. Participate in the biggest online AI and programming competition for kids with more than 3 lakh plus participants, 1,000 plus schools, 1 lakh plus teams from 90 plus countries. So, what are you waiting for? Registration starts today.
Alright, I hope you all got a little overview about Codeavour 2022. So yeah, let's move forward then. All right, now let us understand what exactly a weather monitoring system is and why is it so important? Why are we working on it today? Why we have taken this topic for today's session? So the weather monitoring system is actually one of the most plays one of the most crucial role here. And the reason is this, that, the weather monitoring system, it can be helpful in a lot of ways. Suppose if we can, predict the weather, then I can just, I can be like, okay, I know this is the weather. I know I can, check out the things from here. So I don't have to worry about anything. Right? Okay. Just give me a second. Till the time, please read what is given on the screen. Okay, please give me a second. I will be back. Okay, so what exactly it is? Suppose I want to check out what's the weather outside so that I can, water my plant accordingly. Suppose it's going to rain tomorrow, then I will not water my plant. I will like, okay, it's going to rain all day tomorrow. I will not give waters to my plant. So that my plant won't die because of excess water. Plants can die because of excess water, right? That is what I will do. Okay, it can help us to understand what weather is going to be. It can help us, it can be advantageous in a lot of ways. Prevent natural disasters, the cyclones, the tsunamis, the low and high tide. We can, prevent a lot of calamity from this, from the weather monitoring system. If when the cyclones are coming or hitting Indian coastal region or any country's coastal region, they already have the warning that, okay, the cyclone is going to come over here. So let's evacuate the area. So they evacuate the whole area. Right? So that is what weather monitoring system can be very helpful. The tourist can plan their holidays accordingly. And me myself, I also plan my day accordingly. Suppose if I'm going out, I go out for my college classes, I will check the weather. I'll be like, okay, is it going to rain today? How the weather will be? Shall I apply sunscreen if it's going to be sunny? Or shall I carry an umbrella if it's going to be rainy? Or a jacket if it's going to be a little chilly? Right? So it helps me, helps all of us in our day-to-day lives. So what we are going to do today, we are going to make our own weather monitoring system using our little friend Quarky. All right. So we are going to use Quarky, and we are going to make our own weather monitoring system. Okay. Now let us understand the longitude and latitude thing and why is it necessary for this. So the longitude and latitude thing is this: we need to have the longitude and latitude of that particular area of which of the area where we want to find out, or areas temperature, humidity, or weather we want to find out. We want that area's longitude and latitude. So what you can do is you can just go on Google and you can type longitude and latitude of my location. It will give you that. So of course, I don't want to share my location publicly. So what I will do is I will just go over here. I will type latitude and longitude of Delhi. And this will come up. I will just copy this. And now the reason why we have to copy, so that we can place or we can display the weather on Corky. That is why we wanted to, we want the longitude and latitude. So I live in Delhi. So what I've done is I have just copied or just asked Google to show me or just give me the longitude and latitude of Delhi. But if you want, you can just, put your location also. So you can be like longitude and latitude of my location. It will give you that. All right. So yeah. Okay. Moving forward, you have to use Pictoblox application only to make your project. No other applications. No Scratch, no code.org. You cannot use any other platform. No, you have to use Pictoblox only for making your projects. All right. So what you can do, either you can click on the link that is there for you guys in the chat box. Okay. Either you can click on that, or you can do one more thing, that is, I'm just sharing the link, just a second. Either you can just directly go on your web browser and download Pictoblox. And how to do that? You can just open your web browser, type download Pictoblox, click on the first link that is given to you, that is provided to you by by STEMpedia.com. Click on it, select your device type, Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, iOS, and just hit on download now. You will be able to download Pictoblox on your device. Okay, I hope that is clear to all of you. All right. Now, before moving towards the activity, I request all of you to submit the attendance cum feedback form. The only reason why we want you to submit this attendance cum feedback form is so that you guys get the certificates. You will only get the certificates once you submit the attendance cum feedback form. So please fill the attendance cum feedback form and submit it as soon as possible. Okay, I am giving you 2 minutes to fill your attendance cum feedback form and submit it right now. If you don't submit the form, you will not get the certificate. So you have to submit the form to get the certificate. Therefore, I'm asking you to submit the form and get the certificate for free. All right. So I'm giving you 2 minutes of time to submit the form. I'm sharing the link once again in the chat box with you guys. Take out your time and submit it right now. All right, Mr. Hacker, Fatima, Paloma, Savita, Ariba. Please fill the form. All right, I'm giving you time. I want all the responses, guys. Therefore, I'm asking you to submit and fill the form as soon as possible. Because if you will submit, then only you will get the certificate. And of course, getting the certificate is very, very easy. All you have to do is just submit the form. And you will be able to get it, right? So please submit it. I'm waiting for all of you. It hardly will take you more than 2 minutes. All right. Once again, sharing the form link with you all. Sir, how to click on the link? Sir, okay. Mahi, the link is there in the chat box, and the link is there in the description box also. So if you're not able to click on the link from the chat box, you can click on the link from the description box. So check the description box. Great, Savita. So the ones who are not able to click on the link, click on the link by the description box. So open the description box of this video. It is there, and submit the form, because I want all of you to get the certificate. This is the great opportunity, guys, to get certificate. 90+ countries are participating in this competition, and you have the certificate. That means you can use that certificate in your college, in your school, and you can show it to your friends also. Please do that. Please submit the form. Okay. All right. Moving forward with the activity. So today we are going to make a weather monitoring system using Python and our small little friend Quarky. All right. So I'm just going to open Pictoblox application. Kindly give me a second till the time continue filling the form, guys. Sir, can I download Pictoblox in mobile? Yes, you can. Radhika, yes, you can. I have shared links for Android and iOS users also. You can easily download Pictoblox. So if you have an Android, click on this link that I've just shared. And if you have an iOS, click on this link that I am sharing right now. That's very good, Mr. Hacker. Okay, so now I'm moving towards the activity. I'm opening Pictoblox, sharing the screen. Kindly give me a second. Okay, so it is there on my screen. I hope you are able to see Pictoblox. Okay, so what we have to do now is okay, just quickly going to give you guys a little overview. So this is the overview of the activity. So you can see Corky is displaying the temperature, humidity, and the weather type. That means sunny or hot, hazy, smoky, that type. Okay, you can see W stands for weather, and it is saying it is smoke. Okay, then it will display the temperature. So this is how the things will look like. I want to do that using Python and Quarky with the help of Pictoblox application. So I will first of all connect Quarky with my laptop. So listen to me very, very carefully. If you want to connect Quarky with your laptop or PC, what you can do is you have to download Pictoblox link. So download Pictoblox link. You can easily just type it on your browser. You can type download Pictoblox link, and you can download Pictoblox link from there. And from there, you have to use that Pictoblox link to connect your Quarky with your PC or laptop wirelessly. That means via Bluetooth. Sir, can I download Pictoblox on Mac Studio? Yes, you can, Mr. Hacker. Sir, I've submitted the form. Very good, everyone. The ones who have submitted the form, good job. I'm very happy. And the ones who haven't submitted the attendance come feedback form, please submit it. You will be, you won't be getting the certificate until you submit this form. So submit it right away. Okay. So after this, or one more thing that you have to do is, if you want to connect Corky with your mobile phone, you can connect it without Pictoblox link. That means all you need to have is a mobile phone having Bluetooth. You will be able to connect Pictoblox and Corky together. All right. So my Pictoblox link is running behind. I'm just going to click on board. My Corky is turned on. You can see it is displaying a blue light. So I'm just going to click on board, select Corky, click on connect, go to Bluetooth ports, and connect my Corky. It displayed a green color light. It changed that blue color light to green color, and it made a sound. That means my Corky is connected. Okay, easy to do. I'm last year Goa state champion. That's great. That's very good, Mr. Hacker. Congratulations. Okay, I'm looking forward for your project then. All right. So now I will switch to Python interface because we are making this activity in Python. And it is here. So the sprite and the Corky thing is already there. Do not change it. Okay, we have the Corky calling of the Corky object or class, whatever you want to call it, and the sprite. So why we are using the sprite and Corky class, so that we can access to its class functions. Okay, and you will see how to do that. Okay, now what I'm doing is, now to get the weather data, we have one extension. I have to load that extension in Python. Now to load that extension, I can just type wd equals to weather data. Okay, this will load the extension for me. wd equals to weather data. So I have Pictoblox link, but it does not open. Ariba, you have to download Pictoblox link only in your laptop, and it will open. It will run behind the scenes. It's not like a whole application. It will just run behind the scene. It is like a Bluetooth for Corky. Bluetooth also runs behind the scene. Nothing opens up on Bluetooth. So it will also run behind the scene. Nothing will open up. So how to download Pictoblox in Linux? You can just click on, you can go on your browser, type download Pictoblox. Over there, select your device as Linux, and you will be able to download it. Okay, done with the form. Good job. And the ones who have not submitted the form, submit it right now. You won't be getting the certificate then if you don't submit it. So submit the form ASAP. The link is shared once again in the chat box. Okay, so I will load this extension to get the weather data. So this is to get the weather data. Okay, this will help me to get the weather data. All right. Now let's move forward. Now what I have to do is, now I want my Corky to get the weather data of Delhi, the capital of India. So what I will do, I will use one function of the weather data extension. I will just type wd dot get weather. This is the function to get weather of a specific location. And I will type in the longitude, comma, latitude. So I will just give the latitude first, 28, and this, and then the longitude, like this. There you go. So now what is happening over here? We are getting the data of what place, of which place, of this place, of Delhi. And this is the latitude and longitude of Delhi. Okay. After this, hi Vinod Sharma. So my 14 Pro Max is not compatible with Pictoblox, but mine is. I am using 14 Pro. It is compatible. We have tested out each and every product. Don't worry, Mr. Hacker. Okay. So what will happen now? After this, what I want to do, After this, I want to get the temperature of Delhi. So for this, I'm going to create a variable temperature, and I will get the temperature of Delhi. So for that, we have another function of weather data class. So what I will do, wd dot temp, sorry, wd dot temp, and in Celsius I want to get it, so I will just write C. I will get the temperature in Celsius. Okay, I think that is clear. So this is to get the temperature. Very easy, right? So this is to mark the location or get the weather of a specific location. To get the weather of a specific location. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to give the, I got the temperature. Now I want to get the humidity level. So for this, again, I have to create, sorry. Again, I have to create a variable name as humidity, in which I will call one more function of weather data, wd dot humidity. There you go. This is to get the humidity percentage. Get temperature in Celsius. All right. After humidity, I want to get the weather. That means how the weather is, like sunny, is it hazy, is it smoky, is it going to be rainy? I want to get that weather. So for that, I will create another variable. I will just write weather equals to wd dot weather. So this will give me weather of that particular area. To get the weather, and I will give examples also. Rainy if it is, haze, smoke, sunny, cloudy. Okay, this is the type of weathers, and more also, of course. Now what I want to do is I want to print these on the Corky. I want to do that. Sir, can we use the web version? Yes, you can. Vinod Sharma is asking, sir, can I use it in my laptop also? Please tell. Yes, Vinod Sharma, you can. You can use it in your laptop as well. Okay. Now what I want to do is I want to print this data that I have captured, like the temperature, this humidity, and the weather. I want to print it on my Corky. This display panel, I want to print it on. So for this, I have one option of Corky, that is of Corky class, that is Corky dot show scrolling text. So this is a scrolling text. I will just display hello over here, and you will be able to see it. I'm going to run it, and you will be able to see it. Just a second. Okay, I have to give the speed also. Let's give a speed of 2. Let's give the colors 200, 120, and 45. So the colors, these are the RGB colors, and this 2 is speed. So we have 3 parameters. First parameter is going to be the text. After that, I have to give the speed. After that, I have to give the RGB color, the red, green, blue value. Okay, now let's run it. There you go. It is showing hello. Right? If I want, I can just run it again to show it to you guys. It will show hello. So this is what we will be using to, okay, there is no error in my Python code. There is no error. Actually, there is a error in with my device. So there is no error with the Python code. Okay, there is an error with the device that I'm using. All right. So I will, what I will do is I will display the temperature first. So I will display temperature like T. Okay, I will just remove it so that you will be able to see. Okay, core key dot show scrolling text T. I will give a space. I will concat. So concat is like the plus sign is to concat like a string with a function or with a variable or with anything that cannot come under a string, that cannot come under double quotes. So I cannot call this under double quotes, right? So for this, what I will do, I will write str temperature. So what I'm doing over here, I am converting this temperature variable into string. Okay, so we have str, which is like the string, like this is a string. Okay, this is a string, right? This is a string. Okay, and this is number. I'm just going to show it to you, like 23, 45, 77, 78, 89.0.9. So these are numbers and these are string. So we are getting the temperature in numbers. But to display it on core key, we have to convert it into string. So therefore, I'm using the str function to convert that temperature into string and display it. All right. Mr. Hacker, please focus on the class. Okay. Please focus on the class. Okay. After this, what I will be doing, after this, I will be concatenating another thing because I have to display it like it's in Celsius. So I will be writing C with that. Okay. Then I will give a comma. I will give the speed. I have to give, the text is given. This is the text part. The first parameter is done. I have to give the speed now. So the speed I want it to be 2. Then I have to give the colors. So let's give colors like 200, 45, and then 200 again. So the colors means the RGB value. So if you want to give a specific color, what you can do is you can select a color, Google it, and you will get the RGB value, like RGB value of red, RGB value of cyan color, or cyan color, whatever you pronounce it according to your accent. Okay, now after the temperature, I want to display the humidity. So for this, I will write H, then a hyphen, and convert the humidity to string, because humidity level also comes in a number. So I have to convert it into a string so that I can display it on the display panel of Quarky. And then humidity level comes in percentage. Okay, let's change the color a little bit. Let's make it 120, 120, and 200. Let's see what will happen. I'm just putting random values over here. And after that, I want to put the weather. I want to display weather. So W, then hyphen equals to str. In this, I will write weather. So it's going to display weather for me. And over here, I don't need to write anything. So I will just remove this, give the speed, and give a different value. Let's say 60, 160, 67, sorry, and then 190. Okay, now we will test it out. Okay, now we will test it out. But there is one thing that is missing. So it is going to display the temperature, humidity, weather just for once. That means it will display it like, okay, right now, suppose it is right now in Delhi, the temperature is around 18. So it will display like around 18 temperature. Okay, but I want it to display until and unless the changes also. So like 2 hours earlier, the temperature was around 24, but now the temperature is 18. Now the temperature dropped. So after, if I check it after 1 more hour, I wanted to display the accurate data. So for that, I will be using a forever loop. What I will do is I will put a while loop, and I will convert it into a forever loop using a true condition. This is how you make a forever loop in Python. Okay, you just make a forever loop by using a while loop and giving a true condition. That means the condition is true, it is going to run until unless we stop the code. Okay, I'm going to remove these unwanted comments. And I'm just going to add this over here. Done. Okay, I hope you all can see the code, everything very well. Okay, now I will run it. Okay, now see this carefully, guys. I'm just going to unmirror my image, so, and then show the Quarky to you and run the code. T hyphen 1906 Celsius. That means that is the temperature of Delhi. Okay. Then humidity H hyphen 55%. That is the humidity level of Delhi right now. Then weather W hyphen haze HAZE. So the weather here in Delhi, it is hazy. So this is what it is displaying, right? T, then again that weather. So it's going to display it until and unless I stop the execution of the code. I hope you're able to see it very clearly. Okay. So that's it. That's a small little activity. That's a very easy activity that you can make using Corky and Pictoblox with Python. I hope this is clear to all of you. And if it is clear, do smash the like button and do subscribe to the channel. Is it clear? Right? Okay. I'm just going to stop the execution of the code. And once I stop the execution, the Corky display is also clear. It is also stopped. Now I can just save this project. Weather monitoring, sorry, I'm not able to see it. Monitoring system. Yeah. And I can just save it. Saved. All right. Okay. Now I'm just going to go back here and just give me a second, please. Okay. So yeah, I hope everyone liked this. Okay, Mr. Hacker, you have a lot of questions. Sir, can I use any board in Codeavour? You can, but you have to check it out if it is compatible or not, and that you can check using, that you can check by visiting the official Codeavour website. Okay, sir, speak some words in Hindi also. Disha, this is a session only for, this is a session in English only. So Disha Sharma, we had a session at 5 o'clock, 5 to 6. That session was in Hindi and plus English. Okay, Disha, this session is only in English. So if Disha, you want, you can check out that session as well, which we had. So you can just visit the STEMpedia channel and you can watch that video. And one more thing, Disha, if you want, you can subscribe to the channel so that you can get notification when we get live. Sir, how to download Pictoblox in Linux? Yeah, sorry, Noel, I just got disconnected for a second. So we do have an option to by which you can download it in Linux also. Please visit the official website and sorry, the website, and you can download it in Linux also. Okay, let me show it to you. You can just go on your browser, type download Pictoblox, click on the first option that is provided by the STEMpedia.com. Click on it, select Linux and download it. Okay, and follow these steps. The steps are also written over here. All right, I hope that is clear. Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this session. I'm sharing the feedback form link again, and it is also there in the description box of this video. If you haven't filled the feedback come attendance form, you have to fill it. It is necessary, because if you won't fill it, you won't be getting the you won't be getting the certificates. That's good, Mr. Hacker, that you are a subscriber. We are posting, actually we are going live every day, so turn on your notification. Okay, thank you so much everyone. Please fill the attendance come feedback form. If you have any question, I'm here to answer. Sir, not Pictoblox, I'm talking about Pictoblox link. Okay, Pictoblox link. Okay, I'm going to share it with you. Just a second. Okay, the Pictoblox link is not available for Linux. All right. Noel Joseph, actually, we have one doubt session tomorrow. So can you please join that doubt session at the same time? Yes, Shruti, please ask your doubt. Thank you so much, Savita. It's so nice to see you in both the session. I really love having you and Atharv in the session every day. I really love it. And when you guys don't come, I really miss you. Thank you so much for motivating me and having keeping the patience in the chat. Thank you so much, Savita and Athar. Shruti, please ask your doubt. And Noel Joseph, I request you tomorrow to please join the doubt session. Over there, I will be helping you out. Yes, you can use Pictoblock web version. No problem, Noel. Thank you so much. I hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly. I'm sorry if I'm not. Shruti Sharma, I'm waiting for your question. Till the time, I request everyone to please fill this attendance form, because if you won't fill this attendance form, you will not get the certificate. So you teach very nicely. Thank you so much, Disha. So can you tell me why are you leaving the numbers? Leaving the numbers. Okay, those numbers, Shruti, those numbers are actually the RGB code. So we have, okay, let me share the screen once again. Just a second, Shruti. Okay, Shruti, this number is actually the speed I've written over here, na? So we have 3 parameters for show scrolling text. This one is the text, the first one that we are giving over here. After giving a comma, we are giving the speed. That means at what speed the text will move on Quirky display. At what speed the text will move. At what speed the text will scroll. Okay, and then we are giving the RGB value. RGB means the red, green, blue values. That means at what color the text will be displayed. We are giving that value. And if you're talking about these numbers, so these are the longitude and latitude of Delhi. So you can what you can do is you can get the longitude and latitude of your location. You can just search on Google that longitude and longitude of my location, and you will get that. Okay, Shruti, I hope it is clear to you. Okay, Adi. Thank you, Savita. Bye bye. I hope, Shruti, it is clear to you, dear. And once again, requesting all of you, if you haven't submitted the attendance form, please submit it. Then only you will get the certificate. So submit the attendance form. Shruti, I'm waiting for your answer. Is it clear to you, dear? Thank you so much, Shruti Sharma. I really loved having all of you in this session. I hope you have submitted the attendance come feedback form, because if you won't submit it, you will not be able to get the certificate. So please submit it. Thank you so much, Adi, for submitting. You don't need to spam it, submit it in the chat box. Correct pronunciation, sir. Oh, correct. Okay. Thank you. No, thank you so much. All right. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining this session. I will be seeing you tomorrow in the DAO session. That will be at the same time. All the links will be shared in the Telegram group. And if you haven't joined the Telegram group, you can join the Telegram group from this link. And tomorrow's DAO session link will be shared in the Telegram group only. All right. And we also give notification that we are live, so you can join and you can get the notification. And subscribe to this channel and like this video, because it actually really helps me and motivates me that all of you liked it. All right. Thank you so much. Any other question, I will answer it in the upcoming doubt session. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye-bye. Take care.